Man, welcome to Big Daddy's Cooking Show. Today on the menu, guess what we having? Some steak. That's right, I got steak. I'm gonna do some loaded potatoes. I'm gonna do some green beans. I'm gonna put that top Texas spice on it. And it's finna be on and popping. Check me out. I'm finna season my steak up. And here we go. And I got my water right there boiling. I'm getting ready to put my potatoes in there so I can make sure they cook down real good and make them homemade mashed potatoes. So right now I'm seasoning my T-bone steaks with that top Texas spice. And don't be shy, coming to the marketplace soon. I have T-bone steaks right here, and I got my oven set on broil. I also have my water boiling right there for my green beans and my potatoes. That's the finishing touches right there, baby. Now that's how you do a steak, green beans and some loaded potatoes. Thank you for tuning in to Big Daddy's Cooking Show. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you like us on Facebook. Last but not least, beasting it.